Welcome to our router showdown featuring the TP-Link Archer A6 and Archer AX5400 Pro. We'll be dissecting four key specifications: wireless performance, security features, hardware components, and software functionalities to assist you in making an informed decision. Wireless. The Archer A6 operates on Wi-Fi 5 standards with AX1200 speeds, while the Archer AX5400 Pro features Wi-Fi 6 technology offering AX5400 speeds, ensuring faster and more reliable connections. Both routers include beamforming technology and multiple high-performance antennas for extended coverage. But the AX5400 Pro's high-power FEM and FORT4 technology enhance signal strength and transmission reliability. Security. While both routers offer standard security features like spy firewall and access control, the Archer AX5400 Pro takes it further with Home Shield security. This comprehensive suite provides real-time I/O protection, malicious site blocking, and advanced parental controls, ensuring a safer and more secure network environment for your family. Hardware. The Archer A6 is equipped with a dual-core CPU and standard gigabit LAN ports, whereas the Archer AX5400 Pro boasts a more powerful hardware setup with a 2.5 gigabit WAN port and additional LAN port, providing faster wired connections and greater versatility for network expansion. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like E4 and IPv6, with management options available through the Tether app and web interface. However, the Archer AX5400 Pro's Home Shield parental controls offer custom profiles, content filtering, and detailed reports, giving you greater control over your network security and usage. In conclusion, while the Archer A6 offers reliable performance and essential features suitable for standard home networking needs, the Archer AX5400 Pro delivers cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology, advanced security features, powerful hardware, and extensive software support, making it the ideal choice for those seeking top-tier performance and security. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next showdown,